Good morning. This is your expenses video. So you log in and you create an expense report. That's your first step. Okay, so click Create Expense Report. Purpose, so if it's internet access, right? If it's March PD, it's March PD. So just put in whatever you're filing it for. I'm not going to follow through with this, but I'll show you how to do everything. And then you click Next. Sorry, this box is too small. I can't resize it. I'm not going to redo this. Okay, so you go in, you put the date, usually the date that you the bill is, if you're doing the internet. If it's for travel, of course, the date that you traveled. Your internet would be $22.50. And then it's always COGS. I don't know what COGS stands for. And then justification, you write the justification, okay? And then same for airfare, okay? Put the date, put how much the ticket was, COGS, airfare and baggage, and then March PD travel is what I would put for this, okay? Then you're gonna click next. I'm gonna stop moving the box, and then it's gonna give you an error because you need to put in, I think, the vendor, okay? So, put in your vendor, and then continue. And the same for the airfare. You must, whatever. Okay, my date's wrong. You get the idea. Oh, an invalid future date. Okay, there we go. Then you have to put the merchant name and the record locator. So the record locator is when you use our Concur system, you'll have a record locator. You're not going to have a record locator because you didn't use it. So I'd imagine you could just put in something, random number, and I would imagine that would work. But essentially, this is how you do it. If there's something wrong with your report, you will get an email. So return, and then you just go next. When you hit next, it will allow you to put in your receipts. So you're here, you click next one more time, and this is where you add your receipts. You have to add receipts or they're not going to approve it. So you add a receipt for the internet, you add a receipt for your airfare. Okay, if you have no receipt, then you can't submit the expense. Okay, and then you click apply, go through and submit, and it will send it to Sheila. And then any questions they have, they will email you. So let me know if you have any more questions. Have a good day, friend. Bye-bye.